How to use Google Veo 3 to make AI videos for free. What if you could create an entire video without a camera, without actors, without expensive editing software, and in some cases without even touching a timeline? Now, that is exactly why Google Veo 3 has become one of the most talked about AI tools in 2026. Now, people are creating cinematic short films, YouTube shorts, marketing videos, product ads, social media content, and viral AI clips. And they're doing it using nothing more than text prompts. And the craziest part, many people are using Google Veo 3 without spending hundreds of dollars on production equipment. Now, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly what Google Veo 3 is and how you can access it, how you can generate videos, how to write better prompts, and most importantly, how to use Google Veo 3 for free or at the lowest possible cost. So let's get started. Now, what is Google Veo 3? Now, before we start creating videos, let's quickly talk about what VO3 actually is. Now, Google VO3 is Google's advanced AI video generation model. So instead of typing prompts to create images, you type prompts to create videos. So, for example, you could go ahead and write a cinematic drone shot flying over snow covered mountains at sunrise. Now, a few moments later, Veo generates a video clip based on that specific description. But Veo goes much further than simple animation. It understands the camera movements, the cinematic composition, the lighting, character motion, scene consistency, realistic physics, and compared to early AI video generators, the results look dramatically more realistic. Now, that is why Veo has become one of the biggest competitors in the AI video space. Now, let's talk about getting access. Google frequently updates how Veo is actually distributed, but in 2026, the most common access methods typically include Google's AI platforms and creative tools ecosystems. So you can start by signing in to your Google account. Okay. Now, as you can see, I'm already logged in with my Google account, and here we are. Now, what's going to happen over here is it's going to bring you to Google AI Studio to the actual playground. And this is the section where Google Veo 3 model is available to you to start creating things. Okay. Now, depending on your region and Google's rollout schedule, you may see direct Veo access, Veo inside Google's creative tools, Veo integrated into Gemini powered workflows, or access through Google AI subscriptions. Now, Google occasionally changes availability, so do not be surprised if the interface looks slightly different from what you see in this tutorial. The core workflow remains largely the same. Now, once you are inside of Veo, you will typically see a prompt input area, generational controls right here. Then moving on, you have your general aspect ratio settings. Then you have quality settings, and moving on, you can use different models that VO3 actually provides you, and a whole lot more. And then on the right hand side, you can even, choose the system instructions, export options. So basically, think of it like Chat GPT for videos. Your prompt is basically the instruction, and the AI is the production team. The better your instructions, the better your final video. Now, most beginners make the mistake of writing extremely short prompts. Now, that usually produces average results. Instead, you want detailed prompts. So, let's create a simple example. So, instead of writing something as simple and as straightforward as, beach, instead of writing just beach, we can write something like a cinematic sunset at a tropical beach. Let's go with gentle waves rolling onto the shore. And you can write golden sunlight reflecting across the water, slow camera movement, ultra realistic, and let's go with professional film look. So this is my prompt. Obviously, make sure to fix any typos that you have. And once that is done, you're simply going to go ahead and enter. Now, once you go ahead and enter, you're going to also notice how much information you're actually providing. All right. Now, once you generate it, the AI will process the prompt and create a whole image or even a video clip based on all of this. So, as we can see, that's a whole image that was created to us in the matter of seconds. Now you can also go ahead, copy the same prompt, and once we've copied this prompt, you can go back into your playground. And once you go into your playground, you can come right here and also go on video generation. And you can use any of these Veo plans for yourself. Okay, so we have Veo 3.1, Veo 3.1 Fast, and Veo 3.1 Lite. Now, to get any of these, you will need to go ahead and link the API key. And to link the API key, you are going to want to make sure that you have the actual Veo 3.1 installed, because through that, you can go ahead and create a project key. And once that is done, you can paste your prompts right here. And once that is done, you're going to review the results carefully. Don't expect perfection on your first attempt. Prompting is quite the iterative process. Now, the whole sauce is behind your prompt engineering, how good your prompt writing styles actually are. So, obviously, work on those. And once those are flawless, you should be good to go with Veo and its generation. So, yeah, once you're pretty much done after spending time with Veo, the answer for most creators is yes, go ahead and use Veo 3. It's a great section to create something for yourself and a great prototype to work faster. So that is how to use Google Veo 3 to create AI videos. The biggest takeaway is simple. Your results depend heavily on your prompts. The more detailed and cinematic your instructions, the better your videos will be. So if this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more AI tutorials, content creation guides, and online tool reviews. And let me know in the comments what's the first AI video you're going to create with Google Veo 3. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye.